Okay, guys, as you can see, guys, I'm on MetaTrader 5, as you can see, and this is my trading account that I have with Exness. As you can see, there is a real account. As you can see, there is an MT5 real 2021, 20. I mean MT5 real 21. So yeah, currently the account balance is just at 786.60. So yeah, I have currently I have trades running. So I actually have trades running on Euro USD. As you can see there, those are the trades that are running on Euro USD. And I also have some trades on gold. On gold, as you can see, we are in profit now. As you can see, let me just quickly go on gold. Okay, guys, as you can see, gold, guys, we are in profit now. As you can see on gold, those are the trades that we have on gold, guys. Gold, and now okay, now the purpose of this account, the purpose of this account. So I'll be just depositing on this account every month. I'll be depositing, let me say, at least 50 USD, or maybe sometimes I will add 100 USD. That will be the money that I'll be depositing on this account every um, month end. Every month end, when I get my salary from my work where I'm currently working, I have to deposit, let me say, 50 USD. And then I'll also purchase a challenge with Equity Edge. It's not a challenge, but it's a funded account because they have a Pro Edge uh, accounts that they are giving to traders. If you want to skip the challenge, you just want to be funded straightforward. You just purchase that account and then you trade that account, that challenge. I mean that account, that instant account, that live account. Any profit that you make on that instant account, you will withdraw your profits. You will request a payout every uh, end of the week. You request a payout. Now, once we get a payout, we will get that amount. We will separate that amount in two portions. One portion will go to this account. I'll come and deposit it into this account. And then the other portion, I'll be purchasing other prop firms challenges, guys, especially the 5%ers and the FTMO, guys. So now, okay, the goal for trading this challenge, guys, the goal for trading this sender account is to prove that yes, I can be profitable with this sender account. And okay, let me just quickly now, for those of you that want to do this challenge for yourself, you want to trade with me, or you want to take it up on this challenge for yourself, click the link below the video description, and you can also check in the comment section. I drop a link where you can go on that broker. There's two brokers that I'm using. I have Exness and I also have JUSTMARKET. But for this challenge, I'm using Exness. So yeah, if you want to create a send account for yourself, and you know that yes, we don't have enough money or we don't have enough capital to trade, just create a send account, man. Then you put in 10 US dollars. If you put 10 US dollar, it will show like it's a 1,000, guys. So now that within that, with that 1,000, you can make a lot of money with it, man, with that send account, because it will be difficult for you to blow that account. So yeah, now the reason why I'm doing this challenge for myself is to prove that yes, in 2026 I want to purchase my first car. I want to buy my first car, but I will be buying that car with the money that is coming from this trading account. So I'll be withdrawing that money from this trading account. This one. When I make a withdrawal, I'll make it live, guys, for you to see, guys, to see how transparent I am. So when I make a withdrawal, I will make it with you live, guys, so that you can see yes, it's possible to make that amount of money to buy a car from this forex trading, guys. So yeah, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment below, so that next time when I post a video, you will be the first person to receive a notification that yes, every time I create an app, when I'm giving you an update about this challenge that I'm doing. So the goal for this challenge is just to make 250k ZA or 250k Namibian dollars. Then once I hit the target in August or in 2026, then I will withdraw and then I will buy a car that I want. So, but the moment we hit, let me say, 50% of the 250k, I will reveal what type of car that I will be buying. It's not a big car, it's not a super car, it's just a simple car that is to be my first car that I will be purchasing, guys, with this money that is coming from this account. Okay, guys. Uh Now this is the challenge that I'll be buying. The challenge, not the challenge, but instant funding. The account that I'll be buying a Pro Edge on Equity Edge, guys. So I'll be buying a 25k challenge. A 25k challenge is 179 US dollar, guys. As you can see there, 179 US dollar. Now let's go through the rules of this challenge now. For this challenge, trading period is unlimited, guys, and minimum trading days is 7 days, and maximum daily loss is 3%, and maximum loss is 5%. Consistency score is 15%. Profit target, there is no profit target here. You can just make any profit that you make, then you request a payout after 7 days, guys. And leverage is 1 to 30, FX and one metals 1 to 10, and 1 to 10 on indices, and profit share is 90%. Platform, they are using Mitch Trader, and maximum risk, the maximum risk on this account, it should be 1%. So yeah, safety caution is 3%, and inactivity rule is 30 days, guys. So guys, this is the type of challenge that I'll be doing. I'll be doing a Pro Edge. I'll be buying this account let me say next week or maybe after next week. Then once I purchase this account, then I'll be trading on that account. And then now, if I make money on this account, if I request a payout on this account, what I will be doing with that profits that I'll with the payout, I will separate that payout in three portions. I mean in two portions. Okay, one portion. Let me say three portions. What the first portion is going to my uh send account on Exness, and the second portion will be going to purchasing other prop accounts from other prop firms, guys. So the goal is to have more capital, more accounts with prop firms, and then the third and last portion, it will be going into my savings. So it will be going into my saving. So now, okay, now so the goal for this challenge, guys, the goal for this challenge, 250k challenge until next year. As I said, I will be buying my first car with this amount. This is just to prove that yes, I can actually buy a car or buy something big from forex trading. It is to prove to you that yes, I can buy something with this amount that I'll be getting from the forex market, guys. So yeah,